Hey guys, guess what? I'm not doing this anymore.
Came all this way?
Don't touch this stuff because it will stain, alright?
Alright.
Don't watch, just...
I have to watch.
It's a lot easier if you just lay back.
Are you serious?
Get your tension out of the muscle in your stomach. Just take a nice deep breath in. And out.
Done?
He's gonna start in a minute.
Done?
No.
No?
Fell out. Do it again.
It fell into your belly somewhere. Hold on, we got.
Just gonna clean up the blood real quick and I'll start over again.
Okay.
There you go.
Cool,
Oh my
cat.
gosh.
Happy birthday.
That didn't hurt at all.
Look at,
see
how
it.
could you let somebody that
Let's
has
see it.
all this stuff like this on
Let's see it,
I
Cass.
didn't see that.
I like horror movies. What's wrong with them?
Oh.
Holy cow. Holly is a liar. She said her.
Holly
Maybe
said
to
it hurt.
her.
Yeah.
Now to take care of it, just antibacterial soap twice a day. Dial, Libra 2000, soft soap, and like that will work fine. Clean it. Take the jewelry, slide it up and down to get